Ariel.
Thank
Ariel, you excited about the pancakes?
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat it with a strawberry
Okay, great.
watermelon.
Okay, I don't have any watermelon today, Ariel, but certainly strawberries would work.
Oh, I love strawberries.
Ariel, good job. Right, Ariel, strawberries do match your hair. And look, the measuring spoons match your hair too.
No, it doesn't. My hair is not pink.
Wait a minute, the measuring spoons are dark red. And your hair is bright red. It's still red all the same.
Oh.
That's one. That means you need... So you need 2.5 more. That's... Woo! Yes, okay. Well, we'll put a little back. Okay, now we need 3. We need 1 more. Okay, wait. You're going to scrape it on the side. There you go. Good job, Ariel. Daughter, where are you?
Daughter's under.
No, chair and brush are under. There is no daughter. So where would daughter have gone?
And then don't catch me. Over here.
I can try.
Daughter, wait. Close your eyes.
My name is Ariella, and I'm so excited to be baking today with my mama. This is so fun. Strawberry pancakes, and strawberries match our hair. Yay! Although I've heard that someone also has blueberries, and blueberries match the color of my eyes. You can come, Mama. What did you need?
You need to come see the pancakes.
I am. I'm looking at them. In fact, I think I might swim in them.
I don't. You're gonna touch them.
Oh. Well, I certainly don't want to be cooked in pancake mix. Oh, my. I'll just look at it.
If you look at it, it's gonna go in the oven and you will get cooked.
Oh. Well, I'd like to avoid that if possible. Okay, well, we need to do our next step, Mama. What are you doing? Oh, you're getting ready? Okay, here we go.
You can sit here, because I want to do this time.
Okay, put the measuring cup out, Ariel. All right, that's a 4th. Go ahead. All right, now pick up the big one. Uh-oh. Okay, here goes the big one. That's a whole cup of milk. Okay, the next thing we need is 1 egg. Looks like you might need to crack it a little more, or do you have it all together? Very good. All right.
Just like making strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake. Oh, look at that. I could go swimming right now in the egg and milk mixture.
No, daughter!
Yes, it looks so fun. I want to go. I've always wanted. Okay.
You can go over here. Okay, does.
But you know, the egg and the milk is so good for our complexion. It's important to avoid brushing your hair when making pancakes.